Welcome to Fab Fun. My name's Logan, and today we're going to be working on a sign holder for the Jurassic Park Jeep because we're going to be in a parade. Stay tuned. Well, thanks for joining us. Today I'm going to be working on a sign holder using the 2-inch receiver on the Jeep. I already marked a spot of how deep I wanted it to be in the receiver, and I already marked the spot where I'm going to have to drill the hole. This is 2-inch by 2-inch and about 3/16 thick square tubing. I'm going to come up off of the square tubing and then have our sign advertising our YouTube channel for a 4th of July celebration parade that we're supposed to be in. So like to get the word out there that we've got a YouTube channel. Some people might find it really interesting to see a Jurassic Park Jeep, and maybe they'll like some of the other content on the video. So if you guys are seeing this video after seeing the Jeep in the parade, welcome to the channel. Glad to have you. If you don't mind, like, subscribe, and hey, comment in the section below if you saw us at the 4th of July parade. And if you have any questions about the Jeep, I'd be happy to answer them. First thing I'm going to do is take a center punch, get to the center of where I've marked. I'll do both sides just to be sure. I have tried to drill all the way through from one side and it was a little bit off center. So we'll just drill both sides and hopefully have enough wiggle room that everything will work just fine. Now that I've got those in there, it'll be really easy to start, and I'm going to put it on the drill press, progressively make the hole bigger on both sides, and then test fit it back in the Jeep. So I decided to go ahead and do a pilot hole with a small drill bit, and then I'll step up to a step drill. Alright, one side done. Well, that center punch and me eyeballing it kind of defeated the purpose of trying to have it centered, because it is definitely not centered. We will adjust the El Cheapo Harbor Freight drill press the best I can. And we do have some hitch pins here. We can test this out. Definitely big enough for the hitch pin. And let's get some of these burrs off. And the cutting fluid. You got something on your face there. Not funny? All right, test fit. All right, you guys ready? See if it works. Uh-oh. I drilled the wrong side. I gotta drill the other sides. Dang it. What if we just turn it? Think that'll work? Wiggle, wiggle. There it is. That is probably the hardest part. All we gotta do is measure, figure out how high we're gonna go, what kind of material we're gonna use, brace it a little bit, maybe with a gusset. And, well, okay, so it's not the hardest part. That was actually probably the simplest part. But we're not gonna give up now. This is not putting together a space shuttle. This is just fabbing up a sign, right? Right. Right? So I'm going to use this wire feed welder and hopefully do a little bit better job. If I can get my helmet adjuster right. Ready?
Go.
Eyeballs. It's doing a better job, but it is still getting a little bit hot. There we go. Let's check square again. They are still in the same plane, and it's pretty square. Square enough. Eyeballs. Whoop, overshot it a little. Alrighty. Don't show it up close. Gosh, I don't want people to see my lack of welding skills. It's supposed to be a fabrication channel. No, that is actually where some people will get it wrong. It's not just about fabrication. It's called fabbed fun because we want you to make up your own fun. Whatever it is you want to do, wherever you want to be, wherever you want to go. If you're going to make it fun. Yeah, it was. So as we're in the process of making the sign, I decided to use the new plasma cutter that I got, and hopefully I'll have the ability to do a review on that soon. I went with the Amazon one because it was a lot cheaper, and a lot of people said it had kind of the same specs and ability as the Harbor Freight one that's like 3 or 4 times higher. But what we wanted to do is be a little bit creative with that plasma cutter and add something to the sign. So I decided to draw out and cut by hand a dinosaur skull.